Hey, your sticks are here.
Kermit, don't drop the sticks on the ground. What the f?
They are really durable.
They are very durable, but let's treat them with care. Let's be a respectful endorsee. Hi, my name is Aubrey Hollopeter, and I play drums for a DIY band from Charlotte, North Carolina, known as Leaving for Arizona. I've been playing drums since I was about 11 or 12 years old. I was self-taught, and then I went to high school and college and played and did drumline activities where I had instructors that were like, here's how you actually play drums. So I applied that to the kit, and here I am, years later. Oh, that's been over 15 years, so. I'm proud to be playing 5A drumsticks from Collision. Right off the bat, they seem really durable. Seems like you can throw a lot at them. They're gonna withstand a lot, which is really nice. We practice a lot, and I end up going through sticks. Good to have a stick that holds up with pretty regular use. Also, just when I got these and put them in my hand, they just immediately, you know when you meet somebody and it feels like you've known them forever? That's kind of how it felt opening these sticks. Just put them in my hand, and it just felt good.
Here's some paradiddles.
That hurts. Well, I'm about to put these to use, and I'm gonna play a snippet of Leaving for Arizona's song called Hank Hill Won't Let Me Charge My Vape. It's from our EP, Sad But Functional, and you should spin it. And you should also follow us on social media at Leaving for Arizona. I'm about to do something that would get me accused of witchcraft in ye olden time. Have you ever seen anyone do this? Holy shit.
You made the light flicker. I'm scared.
Thanks, Collision. Thanks for having me be a part of the family, Leaving for Arizona, and myself. We're super excited to be on board. Can't wait for a good year of endorsing Collision.
This is the move that made LeBron cry. The GOAT!